Hey guys, how are you all? Today I am going to show you Moong Dal dosa and Groundnut Chutney recipe, which is a very delicious and nutritious breakfast combination that's perfect for a healthy start to your day. Come, let's cook with me. To start, I am taking green gram around 250 grams, which we'll call it as Moong Dal, and 2 tablespoons of rice, and 2 tablespoons of yellow gram, and 2 tablespoons of urad dal, add the water and wash it for around 3 to 4 times. Strain the water and add the fresh water into it. Now let it soak for 6 to 8 hours. After 6 to 8 hours, strain the water and clean with fresh water once. Add 3 inches of ginger, 4 pieces of green chilies. Now it's time to blend it into a fine batter, dosa batter. Add half tablespoon of cooking soda, 2 tablespoons of salt. Add some water and mix it well nicely. And the batter consistency should be in flowing consistency. Keep it aside for some time. So let's prepare the white chutney preparation that is called as groundnut chutney, which is a very good super combination recipe for this. Take around small bowl of tamarind. Wash it once and soak in water for 5 minutes. Now take a kadai and add around 150 grams of groundnut into it. Dry roast in low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. So now transfer into a plate. Now add around 2 tablespoons of oil in kadai. Add 6 pieces of green chilies, 8 to 9 strands of garlic, handful of cilantro or coriander. Add half inch of ginger. Fry until the ingredients get tender. Now transfer this content into a plate. Now let's temper in the same kadai. Temper the spices, let it splutter. Add some curry leaves. So now it's time to blend the dry and wet ingredients into a smooth paste. So add all the ingredients and blend it into a smooth paste. Add some salt and water. Do you know guys, the groundnut chutney is a popular condiment in South Indian cuisine made from groundnuts. We'll call it as peanuts. It's a flavorful and nutritious combination to dishes like idlis, dosas and moong dal dosa. It is according to our wish we can prepare for the breakfast. And heat the tawa and prepare the dosa recipe now. You know the pesarattu or moong dal dosa is a popular South Indian breakfast dish made from moong dal or green gram. It's a nutritious and delicious dosa variety that's high in protein and fiber. It is having many more benefits. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. It is gluten free and it supports healthy digestion too. It is low in calories and it is very good in consumption in the morning. So now dosa is ready and serve hot with groundnut chutney combination. It is very super healthy tasty recipe. Try it out and let me know how it came to you. Thank you all. Bye bye.